Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Connect the Fire tablet to Wi-Fi and confirm it has at least 20% battery. Once done, open the Amazon settings and enable installations if you plan to add Google Apps. This avoids permission blocks. Make sure you have a recovery email or phone number handy because Google often asks for verification. Now, tap the Browser or Apps section to start the Google sign-up flow. This is the action that creates credentials you'll use everywhere. You'll now create the account. Open the browser or install Google Apps and select Create Account. Choose Personal Account for regular use. Type your name, pick a unique username, and set a strong password. Use letters, numbers, and a symbol. When prompted, provide the recovery email or phone to secure the account. This step helps you regain access if you forget the password. Make sure to read the privacy prompts, adjust personalization settings to your comfort, and tap Agree to finish creation. After creation, sign into the Fire tablet. Go to Settings, choose Accounts, and add your new Google account so apps can sync. Once signed in, install any required Google app or Play services and confirm sync is enabled for Contacts, Calendar, and Drive. Make sure notifications and permissions are set the way you want. If something goes wrong, for example sign-in errors, clear the app cache, reboot the tablet, and try verification again. If that fails, use the recovery phone or email.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.